I'm on my way to Publix. It is Sunday, and I'm on my way to Publix because I am going to get some ingredients to make taco lettuce wraps for dinner tonight. And of course, a couple of other things that I need to pick up, and whatever else sticks to my cart. You know how that goes. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you guys either at Publix or later on when I get home. I made it to Publix. So I'm going in now, and I am going to take a screenshot of the list that I wrote when I left the house today. Actually, like 5 minutes. We're actually going to see how many extra items I actually walk out with. These right here are my favorite protein bars, and they're 2 for $4. So I'm gonna get 2 of the cookies and cream. I don't like peanut butter and chocolate. I know, I'm weird. Chocolate chip, maybe? And I guess I don't have a choice. I have to get the peanut butter and chocolate. This looks gross. It looks like Pepto-Bismol Sprite. Tell me I'm not right. 18. These right here are the breads that I like, or that we like, and I'm going to take the whole grain for wheat for my husband and probably myself. And wow, the last one of Hearty White for James. And now I am going to get some strawberry jelly, because I'm going to make this with the saltine crackers, peanut butter, bananas, and strawberry jelly, like a little snack. So as you saw, and as you see over here behind me, I got a lot more stuff than I needed. Well, I shouldn't say that I needed, because I kind of do need the stuff for food this week. I needed the protein bars, and so I needed fruits. And the fruits, as you guys saw, were 3 for $10, the raspberries, and the what else did I get? I got blueberries, but I didn't get 3 of those. I got 3 raspberries. Oh, and blackberries. I love blackberries. Okay, so now I am heading home, and I'm sorry that this phone is wobbling, but hold on, let me hold it like this maybe. Yeah, I'm vlogging from my phone because I don't really like to go out with like my camera. It's kind of weird. It's already weird enough that I'm vlogging and people are looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh wait, but I am. Let me see if I can lay it down here, and that way on the steering wheel, and that way it won't shake so much. But yeah, there were the groceries. Now I'm gonna go home. Oh, guess what I forgot? The main ingredient for dinner, the ground turkey. So I actually had to go back for that. Alrighty guys, I'll see you at home where I will start this very delicious, easy, quick, and peasy din tonight. Hi guys, I am going to make these easy beef taco lettuce wraps. So I am starting off with a drizzle of olive oil into the pan. I've decided to make this meal a little healthier by using some lean ground turkey. Here we have pound 1. And this is pound 2. Now I am going to break up the ground turkey with a spatula, just as you see me doing here. So first I start off by browning the ground beef. Then I sprinkle the ground turkey with some onion powder. Next, we sprinkle in some garlic powder. And then we mix. Now I add in about 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Next step is to pour in the water. Now I mix all of these juicy flavors together. If the mixture seems dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. And if you are using beef, then of course we will use beef broth. Now we cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Here I am rinsing the lettuce, preparing it to eat our lettuce wraps. Thoroughly dry it with a paper towel, as you see me doing here, because nobody likes a soggy, wet lettuce wrap. And voila, dinner is done. Alrighty guys, so I am going to end this vlog here. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to hit that little notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Bye guys, love you.